Hello guys, hi everyone. So let's get into the product Content Artemis. So this is the members area of Content Artemis, and inside this video I will give you a detailed review of Content Artemis. Also, you will be available with my amazing bonuses from this page. You can click on the video description link to get redirected to this page, and from this page you can get the product within the within lowest price. Okay, let me correct my grammar. Within lowest price, which is 37 bucks, and you can get the bonuses also from my site totally free. You can click on this to get through the sales page, and you can check out the product if you want to, and then you can purchase it to get the bonuses also, and also the product is a very good product. This product is a very good product. Let me clear you that you can create so many blogs, so many posts that can be ranked on Google with a humanly touched, okay, with this product. So let me show you how you can do that. So the first thing is the publishing site. Inside the publishing sites, the site integrations are available, like the WordPress site. WordPress is the most used web page builder or websites. There are 40% websites inside internet that runs on WordPress. So WordPress is given here. Zapier is also a popular, and Social Post Magic is also popular, not like Zapier, I think. So these integrations are available. You can integrate your Zapier URL, your Social Post Magic, or WordPress. So the next thing is article. Before getting into the article, let me show you the feed. So inside feed you can put any feed, like just create a new category and put any name you want, and just your feed will be appeared here. It will be created here. The feed should be the niche name. I have put any random name, but you should put your niche of your blog's name should be put here, like health niche, like affiliate marketing niche, or yoga, something like that. So the next thing is RSS feed. Inside RSS feed, what you can do, let me clear you that the top websites or any other websites with their URL name and just putting the feed, you can grab their blogs and rewrite it as if you are the owner, or you can do the content spinning to make a new content. So that is done by this tool also. So you can put the URL name and feed. You can put the URL name and feed. Your RSS feed link, your RSS feed URL will be ready. Okay, so you can select your category. You can put any feed name, any article name, and you can put the URL, then /feed, the main URL, and /feed, and you can click on add feed. For this video purpose, I don't want to do that. I just want to create a new article. So inside new article you can put your article name, but before getting into that, let me show you that you can also check out your drafts, like your non-published article. And inside new article, let me put any article name, any random article name, and after that you can put your feed URL or your feed name, something like that. But I don't want to create feed. Let me just go to any existing feed, like these feeds are all about the eating or recipe or foodstuffs. You can select any post you want and rewrite them very easily, or you can publish the same post with the source, like the source of the website. So I have chosen one post. Let me choose some more posts, like three posts, and let me go to the selection panel that I have selected. So this post has been selected by me, and this and this. Okay, so let me choose this image to filter it. I am filtering now. Let me choose this column also, like let me just do it from here. Like I want to put these paras, that paragraph has been taken by the editor, and I want to highlight this para. I want to allow this image. I want to select this image also. So my content is getting ready. As you can see, I am being readied my content. And the next thing is, you can go to the next post and next post and next post. So you can select the stuffs from each and every post, and you can click on the next page. So the next page is if you want to put any YouTube video, like you can search by keyword or ID or something like that. So any food related post I have searched here. So I have added 2 videos from here, and then let me go to the editor section. So inside the editor section, as you can see, my post has been ready with 2 videos from YouTube, and my columns and my stuffs that has been selected. So your WordPress site, you can check out here the SEO optimization, like your focused keyword, for your focused keyword, your keyword ranking stuffs, you can do the thing, and you can do the SEO optimization, like check your SEO stuffs. Your focused keyword food doesn't appear in the post title, so you need to put here your post title here like food. And if I check it here now, it will show me that it is appeared. Okay, so you can rectify yourself, like H2 should be rectified with food, with some meaning. You need to put not only food here, just like silly mistake or doing something like that. You need to put a meaningful sentence inside it. And this is the ethics of this tool, that the source is also displayed here, you can see here. So you can get rid of the source, you can delete it if you want to, if you do some unethical stuff, but I don't want to suggest that, I don't want to do that. You need to refresh it, you need to rewrite this article, just leave this page and rewrite this article. Okay, so then it will be your stuff, then it will be your created content. Otherwise you need to put the source. That is my suggestion or my opinion. So you can check out your snippet also, like the signature of yours or your website's name, something like that. You can put your snippets here, and you can choose your snippet. I have not created any snippet here, that is why it is not allowing me to put my snippet. So you can post directly inside Social Post Magic or something like that. There are more features like images, blog quotes, paragraph, audio, video, cover image, anything you need to put, you can put here. Also HTML, embedding code, everything is given here. You can check out the document stuffs like the visibility, and everything is pretty usual like WordPress. I think I am using WordPress, and this is similar like WordPress. So that was the article creation, and you can easily create article by capturing other articles. You can create new articles with a non-source, with your that as if you are the owner, or you can create you can get the same article with source. That can be also be done. So you can use the Pixabay feature also. Their Pixabay feature to get some crazy and cool images from Pixabay. This is the music library, media library, and this is the snippet library, and this is the content spinning feature. Okay, so that was a tool. I am just gasping. So this tool is launching on 9th of June 11 a.m. EST. You can see that this tool has so many stuffs that can make your content with a humanly touch. So I don't know about the guarantee period about this tool, and these are the definitions or descriptions about this tool, and these are the bonuses. The free bonus as usual, and the next bonus is the evergreen commission machine, as this tool is all about creating blogs and earning money from affiliate marketing, for putting advertisement from Google AdWords, from the traffic. That is why these kind of bonuses like the urgency suites pro, that can be timer can be created with this software, or the progress bar can be created with this software, and also the affiliate velocity, the Orion app. So these bonuses are waiting for you with this product. And if you purchase any upsell from this tool, from this page, you will be available with the mega bonus box that is stuffed with 350 plus bonuses. So you need to click on this, just check out the sales page and purchase the tool. You will be available with the bonuses. Don't forget to click on this button to get the bonuses. I am doing. Bye bye.